Equation of a tangent to a given circle. Consider a circle with center O. From any point P outside the circle, we draw a tangent to the circle, intersecting the circle at point A. Let us draw the radius at point A and measure the angle OAP. We find that the measure of the angle is 90 degrees. Even if we consider tangents at different points on the circle, we still find that the angle between each tangent and the radius at the point of contact for that tangent is always 90 degrees. Let us now determine the equation of the tangent to the circle. Determine the equation of the tangent that touches the circle defined by x squared plus 4x plus y squared minus 2y equals 20 at the point -6, -2. Solution. We have been given the equation of the circle. We need to write this given equation in the form. Observe the equation of the circle closely. The equation is a sum of two perfect squares. We can determine the center point of the circle by completing the square for x and y. To complete the square, recall that we halve the coefficient of the variable and square the result. X plus 2 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square equals 25. Let us compare this equation with the standard form of the equation of the circle. To convert this to the standard form of the equation, we rewrite the equation as, therefore a equals -2 and b equals 1. We have now determined the coordinates of the center. Let us draw a rough sketch. The circle lies in the second quadrant. We know the coordinates of the tangent that touches the circle. Let us denote the point at t. T equals -6, -2. To determine the equation of the tangent, we need to know its gradient. We know that the tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact, and the product of the gradient of two perpendicular lines is -1. Using these two axioms, we can determine the equation of the tangent. Gradient of the radius ct. Substituting the coordinates of the point t and the center, we get mr equals 1 minus -2 over -2 minus -6 equals 3 over 4. mr times mt equals -1. Substituting the value of mr, we get mt equals -4 over 3. We can now write the equation of the tangent in gradient point form. Substituting values, we get Therefore, the equation of the tangent is y equals -4 over 3x minus 10.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.